3 health.
Every little bit helps. All right, Jace. You might be joining the lit, but make me a death saving throw.
Nat 1.
Fingers crossed.
Come on, nat 20.
That's close to a nat 20.
That's pretty fucking close.
Yeah, downside. Giant bird.
Well, no, roll me religion. We'll make things interesting. That's the whole point of this, right? Let's see if your god has a bit of plans. All right. Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm looking at a spell. Look at a spell description. It's not going to bring you to full health. Don't anticipate that. But
if it brings me to not instantly dead the next time something touches me, I'm cool. I have healing. I can heal.
Well, no, yeah, I got that. I'm looking for something in specific. Where is it? H. There we go. Okay. Roll 2d10 and increase your max HP by that amount and gain that same number of hit points. That is the healing effect of Hero's Feast. You're still restrained, so...
So I gain... Oh, so it doesn't particularly matter.
Oh shit, I gotta go here in this.
I don't have death saves, that's a thing.
Yeah, reset your death saves.
Cool. I don't have anything to help with this. I can heal, but I'm pretty sure I can do, like, more than 24 damage plus 5.
Can you teleport?
No, I used all my second level spells. Yeah. I could Armor of Agathis to give myself temp HP and then heal. No, because Vitality boosts bonus as well. And
I mean, you could action a bonus action.
I don't have any more charges left.
Well, then, yeah, I can't.
Yeah, no, straight up, like I have nothing.
Can I just revoke the healing and then just be like, no, that's it. It's up to you. I know the next thing it's going to do. It deals a d10 of necrotic damage at the beginning of each of your turns until something happens.
I just like don't.
So you could live through it, but it's a matter of rules. So it's up to you.
I'm going to bonus action Vitality boost to give myself 24 health, so I have 29, and then Cure Wounds on myself, which is a D8 plus int. So /1d8. Do I wait? Hold on, I forgot. Do I get a free opportunity to like break out of this thing's grasp at the end of my turn, or was that just a grasp?
At the end of your turn, yes. That being said, it's a hell of a check.
Yeah, never would have guessed that. Hey, where's that not Yield List of Crits? Where's the birthday thing? Oh, we don't have it this time. Well,
it's in the other campaign. I didn't import it to this one.
So that's +9 as well.
Listen, if you guys die in the mini campaign, you guys die in the mini campaign. That's the point of the mini part. Also, Rebecca, if you need to go, don't let us keep you. I know it's 5 o'clock and a bit more, or it's going to be at 5 o'clock in a moment. I can safely assume what you're going to do as Dusk.
Melt.
And then
just dagger till death.
Potentially.
Dagger, then die.
Ride or die.
Oh, wait, no. Nobody else is conscious that I can see within 30 feet, so I can't even bless him. I could bless
Magnus is.
Outside of 30 feet.
Yeah.
Oh, not 30 feet now.
Yeah, I think bless is 30. Hold on, let me double check. Yeah, it's just 30. Oh. I could bless and I could bless his mount, and that's it. And I could bless myself. Yeah. Can I revoke the Cure Wounds to just cast a bless on those 3 people?
Sure. Isn't bless and Cure Wounds both actions?
Yes, they are. So I would lose the HP I get from bless.
If you want to, then sure.
38, 9, 29. I mean, fucking, why not? It's like last chance. Divine Intervention, possibly. So, end of my turn. What check do I have to make?
This will be a grapple check, so strength for acrobatics, your choice.
I will take, they're both not great. Oh well, acrobatics it is. Dupe.
If you want to hop off as well, Kirsty, you're free to. That being said, if you guys do die, I might just message everyone.
No, it's fine. I'm just gonna go for the cup of tea. Like, I want to see who it ends.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Like, I thought you were gonna like go off.
No. Because I'm just like.
Yeah. No, go ahead.
The time and come back.
Yeah, go ahead. Alrighty. Let's keep the ball rolling. So disadvantage because hex. That means it's got a plus 16. So yeah, you are not broken free. Oh, did Estonia die?
Yeah.
No!
It stopped after the music ended.
Fuck. No, I told it to repeat though. It says it's playing still.
It's not playing on my end.
Neither on mine.
Okay, well, come back. I'm gonna play Untitled. How could this happen to me song? Untitled.
Would that get copyright?
I don't know, to be honest.
I'm just gonna mute it.
Yeah, I don't know. There we go. There we go. So, anyways, yeah, so that is your turn. All right, it is Red Guy's turn. He's still alive. I'm dead fortitude, man. All right, he's gonna punch you first. He's gonna punch you first. He's not gonna do the tentacle thing first. So punch advantage because flanking any year now. Tonight, and I can't stand. 22 does hit you, I'm pretty sure.
Yep.
All right, so what's up with this? Yeah, so you would be unconscious if not for this Shadow of the Grave thing. What's up with this? You make a charisma saving throw, DC equals to 10 plus the damage taken. Okay, so 14. Okay, it's doable. Make me a charisma saving throw.
Oh, that is exactly 14.
Wow.
You have learned from it, or it has learned from you, as you both stand at 1 HP. It does have a second attack, however, so that's the only sad bit. And before 2 nat ones. Rolling the dice. Rolling the dice. Yeah, that hits you.
Wow. Oh, because advantage, right?
Yeah, because flanking.
22. Let's see. No, I can't be 22. Yeah, I'm unconscious.
Yeah. But you're back in unconscious. Make me a dexterity saving throw. I don't know. I was thinking it would knock you out with the first one, but we'll see. But yeah, as you're going down, you are restrained again. You are restrained.
Makes sense if I'm unconscious.
Yeah. All right, Gagler's turn. So to Jace, you don't take any damage from this, weirdly enough. Which is weird now I think about it, but I'm not going to change. I'm too lazy to right now. As long as you remain restrained, make me a Constitution saving throw. Jace.
Hey,
got
I have
advantage on
these.
these. DC 20.
Dun, 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 dun.
You bet.
Roger.
Is it gonna? There it goes.
Ooh.
Okay. 2.
Thank God you. Okay, you're not infested. Weirdly enough, as this thing jams the brain bug spike thing down. There's a reason it's called a gaggler. Okay, I know you guys fucking hate the name. It's meant to be atrocious. It does gaggle you. You feel something get injected down your throat. Something that moves. Something alive.
This is just that scene from the new Resident Evil remake. Hold on, I'm gonna find that real quick.
I wouldn't be surprised. Resident
Evil's
Evil's pretty weird.
But also,
Yeah.
yes.
But with a DC 20 or a 22 roll, you're not infested, weirdly enough. So you're actually fine. So there's that. It's going to attempt to gouge. How much health does Brongar only has 59 health? It's gonna spend both its attacks attacking Brongar. Come on, crit. Rolling dice. Not a crit, but it does deal damage nonetheless. Alright, Brongar, whenever this fucking thing rolls its damn dice, takes 32 damage, so 59 minus 32, that is 27. Attack number 2 with the gore attack. And make it go away. Come on, roll dice. Roll dice. Roll dice. Roll dice.
Man, Roll20 is just not having it lately.
Yeah, I actually woke up a couple hours. That still hits. Brongar only has has like 12 or 14 AC. Yeah, no. Before I hopped on today, Roll20 actually reported that they had problems prior to hopping. Like, Brongar has 1 HP. He is exactly 1.
The boy.
He's the best boy.
Yeah, I think I severely underestimated the minions here. I thought we could deal with them and then focus on the big guy. Big mistake.
No, they have way more health.
All right.
Die and learn.
That is the Gagler's turn. It is not our Beast Hammer, but just Ur's turn. So spiritual weapon, bonus action, attack. So that's a D20 plus spell attack modifier. I guess it could be like
We
right
could just hit the thing again. Or last time it did.
Oh, okay.
What's that ring?
Spiritual weapon.
I was trying to give it an advantage. That's why. Whatever fucking rolls. Okay, so take the better of these two, essentially. Okay, 24 still hits, 7 damage against it. It's at 45 HP. I'm gonna stop the. How could this happen to me? I'm gonna start back there.
Cool. I can turn the music back on.
Yeah, that's
It's a weird thing that like everything else gets like flagged, but not the Witcher 3 soundtrack.
Yeah, I don't know.
Or like
why.
other games. I think it's like game soundtracks in general. They don't get flagged.
No, yeah, it's because game soundtracks are usually playing in the game thing, so that's why they can't copyright it. All right, so bonus action, spiritual weapon attack. Himself is going to.
Part of me wants to ask if we can play Dead Man's Party, but that's too jovial for this. But the name is
all right. So he hits. That's a 1.
What's
so that puts
Man's Party?
It's a song from Witcher.
Let's see.
Gotcha.
39, and then Brongar, best boy. He has 1 HP. Come on, boy. Hits. 14. Oh no, the second one doesn't hit. Second one doesn't hit. So that puts it to 32. That is 32 HP to hit. It is Blue Guy's turn. He is going to attack Shadow Magnus. He has advantage because flanking. Phew. Oh, that was fast. 22.
I think it's because it doesn't have to go through like sheets or anything. It's just straight up.
16 or higher is dead.
That's a 3d4 plus 4. Wait, how much health? Wait, 16 health it has left, or?
No, he has 8 health.
Oh.
But he's resistant.
Okay, so 1 HP. 1 HP, taking a lesson from Brongar. And the second attack.
Yeah, there we go.
It's a crit in 1. I'm not gonna roll it. Yeah, Shadow U is gone. It rescinds back to the original. It becomes your Shadow again.
If the Shadow could have hit next turn, I would have popped back up. Feels bad, man.
It all comes crumbling down. All right, it is Dusk's turn. I open up so many sheets right now. He used fighting spirits. Yeah, he's out of fighting spirits. Ugh, that's He has second wind still, so extra health. D10 plus like 8 or third attack. Probably the health is more important. Alright. Wait, is it a... Wait, that's a D20. Fuck. I was like, wait a second. Okay, 14 HP back, so he's at 49. But he's about to take 66 damage, I just realized, so there's that. 18, so minus 5 because temp HP, minus 13, so that puts him at 36, there we go. Alright, 36. He's going to take 2 attacks. These are a disadvantage because restrained and stuff. That's 1 off from hitting. Feels bad. Yeah, neither of those hit. That is Dust's turn, my friend. That is Dust's turn. Magnus, make me a death save. Success. That is your turn. Genevieve makes a death save.
Oh,
there it is.
Unconscious?
He's unconscious.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Orange guy's turn. Oh, what the fuck? Orange guy's gonna go attack is going to. He's not going to use Executor.
Why wouldn't he? He has nothing else.
Yeah, that's right. He doesn't have. No, wait, no, because is Fire Shield concentration?
No.
It's not. What the fuck? Okay, then yeah, he's gonna use Executor on this. He has a -1 dex, so -1 + 1. It's a straight roll.
What is he concentrating on?
Nothing.
Oh, be restrained.
Yeah, this is to be against restraint. Hey, he's not restrained. Let's see if this attack hits him though. He has pretty good AC. He's got 20. That did well when they roll a 19. I can't help it. All right, so he takes 14 damage. Actually, he hit the creature has advantage because Yogi had in there because flanking. So yeah, let's see, 14 damage, 9, so that's 89, so 79 health, and he reflects back 2d8 fire damage. 10 damage against Orange Boy. Okay. Attack number 2. Still with advantage and stuff because flanking. 17 doesn't hit. I need to see if does Fire Shield proc if they hit or if they just make an attack. Whenever they hit you with a melee attack. So okay, so it actually doesn't proc it. Interesting. Yeah. Interesting. Jace, you just got stabbed in the throat.
Oh, cool.
But the thing is, you're not infested and you didn't take any damage, so you're still actually basically in the same place where you were last turn.
What does Shocking Grasp do? I think it just affects the reactions, doesn't it?
Yes.
Doesn't have armor. I'm just trying to think of like anything besides Wiggle.
This thing's not Hex anymore because Magnus is unconscious.
You got Healing Word?
I swapped it out for Cure Wounds.
Oh.
Yeah, no, that's what I was measuring out earlier. It's like, oh yeah, he would have definitely been within range. Shame. I mean, I still have Bless on me, so I guess I'll just use my action and try to not be crushed or whatever this thing's gonna do.
Alright. Make me a acrobatics or athletics check with a d4 on top of it.
What? I'm wondering, because I get to do the save at the end of my turn, would I be able to do anything as an action to just give myself advantage on the next one? I mean, I guess it's effectively
You could do it a second time, so...
Yeah, it comes out effectively the same.
Technically, this is better because you can apply Bless twice. Because one time and then a second time, so...
Well, if it rolls like 3, then maybe. Maybe.
It didn't roll 3, but it got double that.
That's insultingly close. Alright, end of the turn.
If it had disadvantage, maybe. End of the turn, do it again. I'll use the same 22.
Well, I might have a roll. Okay, well, that...
Yeah. Roll 20 is really building the sense of suspense with us today.
No, it's building the sense of you were fucked from the get-go. We've got dick-off rolls.
Red Gagged does an attack. He crushes